Up here hunting for leaks. Found a leak over here. See it? See all those bubbles? You can hear it. See all the bubbles blowing up. Another leak. That's what happens when you don't hire quality job work. Looking over here, brand new system. Look how they left the drain pan and the wires. And that's supposed to be the connection board for the lines. That's supposed to be in there to help protect the lines from leaking water. But look at that, brand new system. Brand new system. That's why you call professional people. Look, here you even got the old one still. I left the old one right there. And all the equipment with it. Right there. And there's the old blower wheel right there. Nice quality job. Thank you.